So today we're going to be doing
a tutorial
on
the
Listerine mint whitening strips things. I heard they're really gross, and I've tried it before.
Because we tried them.
It's like really bad. Okay. So she has to put it in her mouth and hold it there until I can count to 55. Okay, ready? Well, you have to be.
Okay.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. And you have to show us.
I only got the first one on.
Well, you only need 1.
There's 2 players.
Okay, ready? You have to face us the whole time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're only supposed to do 1 for now. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Hold still. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. Now you gotta face us. Face us. Close your mouth. Okay, now open. Put your teeth together. Okay, now let's see if you can take it out. Show us. Try to take it out.
Oh my god!
Okay. Oh my god. Okay.
That's not cool. That's not cool.
Okay, so this thing might all of a sudden hang up, but we'll get back to you if it does. Okay, use water. That's what I did. I had to wash my mouth out. Do it. Dude, it's gonna stay there forever. It's stuck to you. That's got the